Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Uncle Daniel and I am your new teacher. Your old teacher told me that she taught you so many things, so I'll be asking you some questions based on what she has taught you. And if you fail my question, I'll flog you.
Hey!
Shut up! Now, who can tell me the opposite of sorry? You, stand up. What's the opposite of sorry? What's the meaning of that? My friend, sit down! You look like a lizard. Who can tell me the opposite of sorry? You, stand up. What's the opposite of sorry?
Good for you.
What's the meaning of good for you?
If something happened to somebody and you don't want to tell the person sorry, you tell the person good for you.
My friend, will you sit down? Blackface. I move to another word.
Sir, please, what is the opposite of sorry?
We'll leave that for the viewers to comment. Now, who can tell me the opposite of shallow? You.
Uncle, I don't raise up my
My
hand.
friend, will you stand up? What is the opposite of shallow?
I don't know.
Give me your hand. Sit down. You. Stand up. What's the opposite of shallow?
Deep.
Good. Put your hands together for him. Now, who can tell me the opposite of criticize?
Hey, you know it.
You. Stand up.
But Uncle, I don't raise up my hand now.
My friend, stand up. What is the opposite of criticize?
I don't know.
Give me your hand. Sit down. You.
Praise.
Good. Put your hands together for her. Now, who can tell me? Now, we are going to recognition of animals. Recognition of animals. Now, someone should look at the leg of this animal and tell me the name of this animal. Someone should look at the leg of this animal and tell me the name of this animal. Fast. Wait, you mean you are in primary 2 and you cannot look at the leg of an animal and know the name of that animal? What has Aunty Ebere been teaching you people? Somebody should look at the leg of this animal and tell me the name of this animal. Now!
Success. You're an animal.
What's happening here?
He called me an animal.
Are you not an animal? Are you not an animal? If you cannot look at the leg of this animal and know the name of the animal, you are an animal. In fact, anybody that cannot look at the leg of an animal and know the name of that animal, that person is an animal. Now listen to me, you small thing. You are an animal. By the way, what is your name? What is this? What are you doing?
I think I'm an animal. Look at my leg and tell me my name. Uncle, anybody that cannot look at the leg of an animal and know the name of that animal, that person is an animal. In fact, Uncle, you are an animal. Uncle, don't worry, I'm suspended. Don't go and change that your hair to black. Be carrying white hair like domestic animal.
Shut up! Shut up, all of you! Shut up! In fact, we are going to something else.
Uncle, what is the name of the animal?
I will kill you today! I will kill you today! You hear no right thing! I will kill you today! I will report you to the principal! You premature mosquito! Get out! Get out of the school!